Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can save some money and get some good deals. Wowtac is having a Father's Day sale. Now on Father's Day itself, the discount will be 20% off all flashlights except for the A4 V2, which is going to be 30% off. Right? Those discounts will be automatically applied to the prices on Wowtac's Amazon store on Father's Day. I will include a link in the text description box where you can go and take advantage of that. However, you do not have to wait until Father's Day itself to get those discounts. There are special codes that they gave me to give you, which starting on the 15th up through until Father's Day, right, if you use those codes, you can get that 20 or 30% off, like basically right now. So in the text description box, I will also list those discount codes and special links that you can go and take advantage. Now, I do believe that the links apply the codes automatically just by clicking on them. However, I will include the codes in case you have to manually enter them, but you should be able to see them applied during the checkout process. Now, if any of that is confusing, don't worry, I'll include all the information spelled out so you can read it a couple times in the text description box, but basically, you're going to be saving a lot of money because Wowtacs are already budget friendly. So when you add 20% off and 30% off, I mean, you're basically going to be getting like $50 lights like the A4 for like $35. All right, that's crazy. So definitely take advantage. And please use those links because they do track those so I can get some credit for steering you their way. And while I am here, a little update. This has landed the Leatherman K2, now available in different colors. This is the red. This is pretty snazzy. I've already used mine, as you can see, and I have in fact already filmed a video which I will be posting very soon, a video full review of the Leatherman K2. And can you guess what model Victorinox this is? You got the A-locks. These three main tools are a big hint. Yes, this is the Farmer X. It has landed. This was available on Amazon briefly and they all sold out, but they'll be back. Perhaps by the time I post this, they'll have some more. But yes, I got the Farmer X. I'm going to do a full review of this in the future. Now about this Wowtac A4 V2, all right, let's review the stats on this, which are mighty impressive. So as you can see, maximum lumens 1,895, but check out the max beam distance, 565 meters. So if that's the maximum, imagine how well this is going to do at, let's say, 100 meters, you know, the distance of a whole sports field. It's going to dominate. Now, regarding purchasing flashlights, there are different categories that you have to think about, and since they're having this big sale, 20% off everything, now would be a good time to review the different categories that you might want to think about. First of all, if you're putting together a bug-out bag or some sort of, well yeah, a bug-out bag, you need a headlamp, right? So if you don't have a headlamp, I would say that should be your first priority if you're putting together one of those. Now, as far as just where to start with lights, with modern lights, you want a small EDC light like that W1, right? The Wowtac W1. Most people start with something that they could carry very easily, and then they work their way up from that. So consider a mini little EDC light. Right now, the A5, that's your ultra bright floodlight if you need to light up your entire backyard in just one, press of a button. So that's the floodlight, and the A4 V2, that's their powerful thrower. Right now, the A6, that's an EDC light. That's a step above the like the keychain type light. That's like a nice pocket light, right? So you got to think about which categories are you weak in, which categories are you good in, and buy accordingly. Now overall, this is my favorite type of light, right? This takes a 26650 battery It has huge capacity, it's bright, and it has long range. Alright, so think about, how you can best round out your light arsenal and take advantage of this sale. Alright, now I've already done a full review of that Wowtac A4 V2 when it first was released. However, I'm going to go out tonight and get more footage because, I don't believe in videos like this where I don't put in more work. I mean, I'm going to put in more work for you. I'm going to go skulk around. Alright, so let's roll in that footage. Well, I gotta go make it, but through the magic of editing, I'll see you outside. Alright YouTube, what's up? We're on the road, in the field. I'm at the sports field actually. This is the road that goes by the sports field, and then there's just some trees. And I biked on in here. That's my bike. Hey YouTube, while we're here, you want to see another knife? This is a knife I carry with me for utility purposes sometimes. This is an old Smith & Wesson bullseye utility knife or electrician's knife. It is quite useful. The reason it has that stripe of rust is because I had this in a pouch on my bike, and I've ridden through quite a few thunderstorms, and even though it was in like a pouch, when the wind gets going, that water can get in there. But it's okay because this thing was only $5. They should make this again. Smith & Wesson, make some more of these. Alright, let's go check out the field. Okay, here we are on the sports field. Now, because the sporting events have all been canceled, the goal is not where it would usually be. However, we can still cross the field, and I see like a shed over there. So I'm going to light up the shed behind those trees. Alright, let me zoom in so you can see this. Okay, that's as good as the focus is going to get. So you see that shed. Alright, there you go. So this easily crosses the whole field, lighting up that structure, and I am back here. More than 100 meters. Alright, so it easily crosses the whole field and then some. Hey, what's up YouTube? I seem to have spotted a deer. Let's see if we can get it on camera. And there it is again. The deer is curious. And we are back. Alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that. So, in conclusion, this is going to be a very good sale. I mean, the normal prices on Wowtacs are already very budget friendly. Then when you add the 20% off, like, now would be time to take advantage. A lot of my viewers already have Wowtacs, but now would be a time to buy some as gifts, either for Father's Day or stock up and give them for birthdays. Alright, so check out the links in the text description box. This has been We All Juggle Knives. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for many more. I am out.